Can we talk about the inclusion, the obvious inclusion of tikanga Māori within the New Zealand team?
Yeah, and it started way back from when the athletes first arrived at the New Zealand House. You've seen the pōhiri there, and then you've seen the athletes with the haka, and who else better than Derek Lardeli, Derek Lardeli, to teach them and then compose that haka. And then we've seen him perform that haka to these athletes at the squash and then the netball yesterday. I don't know if these athletes know, but that's such an honour and a privilege for someone like that, someone with that mana to perform his own haka to these athletes. But then also these athletes embracing that culture, tō tātou ao Māori, kia kite a te motu whānui, so that everybody sees that our Māori culture, which is awesome.
Yeah, and you're right in terms of the athletes embracing it too, because the ones that I have spoken to have all spoken about that. Rapaira is the executive producer for Te Karere. He's also been acting as a stand-in camera person for us here on Breakfast. He's been awesome. Yeah.